What go on? There. Dip on a break time, yeah. Full of vibes. That is it. Less up such is life. We have to respect it, you know? There, man. All of afternoon vibes. Jaja, brownstone them look nice. Nah, that. Wanna renovate over this one. Yeah man, that is it. Smoke here forward out of this car. Oh, there's a nice day still. Yeah, the dog have a nice day walk. Yeah. If you give thanks to a nice day, don't. Could that be worse? Well, right now people, I want to see my channel grow, you know. So, you know the work I put in the work and things, so I never really post no like what, 3 days? 3 days now I don't post. But that's not a big deal because you want me to write this again, you see it? Make sure I have some content for the view and thing, you see me? So right now, we are got a flatbush. Got a flatbush, go do some little shopping and see what the day bring, you know? Electric car move off silent, me I say, yo, I don't even hear such man car move, I don't see that move. Electric such man a push. Yo, how I go on this up? Yo, like somebody get evicted, bro. Like, at the only time I see so much things on the sidewalk, bro, that's fucked up right now. If I really that take place right now, bro, you know my prayers go to them. Cause you are one thing with the country still. I don't know about some other state, but yes sir, bro. Them landlord that put out your things them, bro, and I tell you say, if you not have nowhere to put them, bro, if you can't afford for storage and them things, bro, the things them spoil up, bro. Enough time I see it happen. You see me? Where you see people things up on the road and people out on them coach. I see people on the roadside on them coach and them bed and them something them I say boy John no star. You know? And our next man in our next country. Even in my place when I forward from my yard, a man with there and that say boy, you know, everything are peaches and cream America. No brother. Rough same way bro. And the rough you say away where bro, I don't think you want homeless you say in the winter dog. And yes I'm mostly winter. Judgment. Rough. Flatbush Avenue on a Friday star. I get on soup. Block this bridge in here, block up the road, bro. There's a scooter man, I block the road in front of this bridge in here, the man there hung the horn or nothing. You make the bridge no say more leave. Yeah, I say I could get on soup over this so star. that is it. Them soon sell out. That's soon summer. But you look around summer there again here. Junction. Always full of people, right? Just a boy, this a pedestrian crossing, is a boy, and a normal thing. Always a whole heap of people. Like, they active still, you know. Yeah, man. And so I say we have to give thanks because we see rest of days done. We need to figure yo bro, you can't believe say all the winter outfit done with bro, and I never even go check out no ice skating and them something there, bro. So busy mouse. And if it's too late. Never too late to go over there now. I don't think so. I don't think so. That's your dog, you might live a life, eh? Think of the coolest thing that go having one of them dogs, they're not drive running in your car, right? Yo! Should I get one of them big teddy bear there and just put it in your car seat and strap it down, right? Seat belt down and relax yourself. People, do me a favor now, man. Do me a favor now, man, and press the subscribe button now, man. You see me? Press the subscribe button. Do that for me, see it? Yeah. Do that. Subscribe, I'm on.